Have you ever wondered how to make $7,000 in a week? Let's dive into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're sitting comfortably at home, sipping on your favorite drink, and your bank account is growing by the minute. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not a fantasy. It's a reality for many, and it could be yours too. If you've ever dreamed of earning such an amount in such a short time, this video is just for you. First things first, we need to understand that making money involves a certain level of skill and dedication. It's not about making a quick buck or finding a shortcut to success. It's about commitment. Commitment to learning, commitment to improving, and commitment to pursuing your goals relentlessly. It's also about having the right skills. Whether it's sales skills, marketing skills, or interpersonal skills, these are the tools that will help you navigate the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, these skills are not innate. They can be learned, honed, and mastered. Lastly, it's about mindset. Having a growth mindset, where you see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, is key. It's about maintaining a positive attitude, even when things get tough. It's about being resilient, adaptable, and persistent. So let's get this straight. Success in affiliate marketing, or any venture for that matter, is not a stroke of luck. It's a result of dedication, skill, and the right mindset. With the right mindset and commitment, you are halfway there. Now, let's move into the actual process of how to make $7,000 in a week. Imagine a marketplace where you don't need to create your own product, yet you can earn a hefty profit from selling others' products. This, my friends, is the realm of affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is a simple yet powerful business strategy. It's all about promoting products or services offered by others and earning a commission on every sale made through your referral. Think of it like being a middleman, but with a twist. You're not just selling, you're creating value, building trust, and forging relationships with your audience. And the best part? You don't need to deal with inventory, customer service, or any of the traditional headaches of running a business. So, how does this translate into substantial earnings? Well, let's break it down. Say you promote a product that costs $100, and you get a 20% commission on each sale. If you make 35 sales a day, you're looking at $700 daily earnings, and that's just from one product. Multiply that by 7 days, and voila, you have your $7,000 a week. And remember, the internet is a vast marketplace with a global audience. With the right strategy, there's no limit to the number of products you can promote, and no cap on the number of sales you can make. But here's the key. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't come from selling, but from helping. You're not just pushing a product, you're providing a solution, a recommendation, a review. You're building trust with your audience, and in return, they're more likely to buy from your referral. And there you have it. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity, flexibility, and potential for high earnings. Whether you're looking for a side gig or a full-time income, affiliate marketing could be your golden ticket. It's a business model that rewards creativity, strategic thinking, and genuine connection with your audience. Affiliate marketing, with its potential for high earnings, can be your golden ticket. The next step is to choose the right platform for your affiliate marketing. Now let's get into the crux of the matter. Picking the right platform for your affiliate marketing journey is not just important, it's absolutely crucial. It's like choosing the right soil for your seeds. It determines how well your marketing efforts will grow and flourish. Imagine this. You've got the perfect product, an amazing marketing strategy, and the motivation to make it all work. But if you choose a platform that's not suitable for your product or your target audience, your efforts might not bear fruit. It's like trying to sell ice to Eskimos. You're not going to get very far. So, how do you choose the right platform? Well, there are several factors to consider. First, you need to understand the nature of your product. Is it a physical product or a digital one? Different platforms cater to different types of products. Second, think about your target audience. Where do they hang out online? If your audience is primarily on Instagram, then it doesn't make much sense to focus your efforts on LinkedIn, does it? Then consider the features of the platform. Some platforms offer advanced tracking and analytics, which can be a huge advantage when it comes to optimizing your marketing efforts. Others might offer better support or more flexible payment options. Let's look at some popular platforms. Amazon Associates, for instance, is a great choice if you're selling physical products. It's a well-established platform with a vast audience. ClickBank, on the other hand, is a good choice for digital products, especially in the realm of self-improvement, health, and fitness. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution here. The right platform for you depends on your unique needs and circumstances, so take the time to do your research. Test out different platforms, see what works and what doesn't, and make an informed decision. It's a bit like dating. You need to find the one that fits you best. By choosing the right platform, you increase your chances of success. After choosing the platform, the next step is selecting the right product. In the realm of affiliate marketing, the product you choose to promote can make or break your success. So, how do you ensure you pick a winner? The answer lies in two key factors: demand and commission rate. Firstly, let's talk about demand. You want to choose a product that people are actively searching for, a product that solves a problem or fills a need. This is where market research comes in. You'll want to dive into Google Trends, social media platforms, and other online communities to get a sense of what people are talking about, what they're interested in, and what problems they're trying to solve. But remember, just because a product is popular doesn't guarantee its profitability in affiliate marketing. This is why it's equally important to look at products that are evergreen, products that maintain a consistent level of demand throughout the year. Now let's move on to the second factor: commission rate. The commission rate is the percentage of the sale price you'll earn each time a purchase is made through your affiliate link. The higher the commission rate, the more money you'll make per sale. While it's tempting to go for products with the highest commission rates, it's crucial to strike a balance between a good commission rate and a product that's in high demand. A product with a high commission rate but low demand won't generate many sales. Conversely, a product with high demand but a low commission rate might require you to make a lot of sales before you see substantial earnings. A good rule of thumb is to aim for products with a commission rate of at least 20%. This allows you to earn a decent amount per sale while also ensuring the product is worth your time and effort to promote. Remember, choosing the right product isn't about finding the most expensive item or the one with the highest commission. It's about finding a product that resonates with your audience, fills a need, and offers a good return on your investment. A profitable product selection can make your earnings skyrocket. Now that you have your product, it's time to market it. Marketing is an art, a science, and a game all rolled into one. It's the bridge that connects your product to your potential customers, and the stronger that bridge, the higher your chances of making sales and earning commissions. So let's talk about how you can build that bridge and make it strong. One of the most powerful marketing strategies you can use is social media marketing. With billions of users worldwide, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer a vast sea of potential customers. The key here is to understand your target audience, what they like, what they need, and how your product can fulfill those needs. Then create engaging content that resonates with them and prompts them to take action. Remember, social media is about building relationships, so engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and show them that you value their input. Another effective strategy is creating a website. A well-designed, user-friendly website not only provides information about your product but also establishes your credibility. Make your site visually appealing, easy to navigate, and filled with valuable content. Use SEO techniques to improve your site's visibility on search engines, and don't forget to include a compelling call to action that urges visitors to buy your product. And then there's email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains a powerful tool for reaching out to potential customers. The beauty of email marketing is that it allows you to connect with people who have already shown interest in your product. Send out regular newsletters with updates about your product, special offers, or useful tips. Just make sure to keep your emails interesting, relevant, and personalized. So there you have it, 3 potent strategies to market your product. The secret sauce, however, is to combine these strategies, tailoring them to fit your product and target audience. Remember, marketing is not a one-size-fits-all game. It requires creativity, persistence, and a deep understanding of your audience. Effective marketing is the key to making sales and earning commissions. In conclusion, making $7,000 in a week is not a myth, but a possibility with affiliate marketing. To recap, we've explored the basics, chosen the right platform, selected the perfect product, and marketed it effectively. Each step is a vital cog in the machine, integral to the success of your affiliate marketing journey. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are worthwhile. So, are you ready to make your first $7,000 in a week with affiliate marketing?